Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for Azure. These are scenario-based complex interview questions for a senior Azure solution architect. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario-based interview question. Our scenario is: you are tasked with designing a cloud-native solution for a media streaming service that aims to provide high-quality video streaming to a global audience. The platform needs to handle variable and high traffic loads, support multiple devices, and ensure low latency streaming. Design the application architecture with a focus on scalability, availability, security, and cost optimization. Being an Azure solution architect, what solution you will select? So our first solution is presentation layer. Develop a media player application using Azure Media Player or a custom player integrated with Azure Media Services. Implement Azure CDN Content Delivery Network for global content distribution, reducing latency for end users. Our next solution is application layer. Containerize microservices using Azure Kubernetes Service AKS for scalability and efficient management. Use Azure API Management to expose APIs securely for managing content delivery. Next solution, data processing layer. Utilize Azure Media Services for encoding, packaging, and streaming media content. Implement Azure Logic apps for workflow automation such as triggering encoding tasks based on a new content uploads. Our fourth solution is data storage layer. Store media assets in Azure Blob Storage for scalable and cost-effective storage. Use Azure Table Storage or Cosmos DB for metadata and user-related information. Next solution, caching layer. Integrate Azure CDN with dynamic site acceleration to cache and deliver static and dynamic content efficiently, reducing load on backend services and improving streaming performance. Our sixth solution is authentication and authorization. Implement Azure Active Directory AAD for secure identity management. Enforce token-based authentication for access or streaming resources. Leverage Azure AD B2C for user authentication and authorization. Our seventh solution is monitoring and logging. Utilize Azure Monitor and Azure Application Insights for monitoring, logging, and diagnostics. Implement log streaming to Azure Log Analytics for real-time analysis. Eighth solution, security and compliance. Employ Azure Security Center for continuous security monitoring. Use Azure Key Vault for secure storage of encryption keys and other secrets. Ninth solution, cost optimization. Utilize Azure Cost Management and Billing to monitor, analyze, and optimize costs. Leverage Azure reserved instances for compute resources and explore Azure Spot instances for cost-effective scaling during low-demand periods. Our last solution and 10th solution is backup and disaster recovery. Implement Azure Backup for regular backups of critical data. Set up geo-redundancy for Azure Blob Storage to ensure data resilience and disaster recovery capabilities. Now moving towards the reasoning section. Our first reasoning is scalability. AKS, Azure CDN, Azure Media Services, and storage solutions enable scalability at the application, content delivery, and data storage layers. Our next reasoning is availability. Azure CDN AKS with multiple nodes, Azure Media Services, and geo-redundancy for blob storage contribute to high availability. Security. Azure AD, Azure CDN with token-based authentication, security center, and key vault enforce strong security measures. Next reasoning, cost optimization. Azure cost management, reserved instances, and efficient resource utilization support cost optimization. Last reasoning, disaster recovery. Azure Backup, geo-redundancy for blob storage, and best practices in data distribution ensure data resilience and disaster recovery capabilities. This architecture addresses the specific requirements of a cloud-native media streaming service, focusing on scalability, availability, security, and cost optimization across different application architecture layers. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.